Welcome to the world of property maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to demystify property maintenance, breaking down its key components, the roles involved, and how it all comes together in real-life scenarios. We'll also touch on the types of buildings that require property maintenance and how you can get certified in this field. Let's dive in and give you the tools to make your maintenance team more successful. Property maintenance is all about cleaning, safety checks, and repairs across residential buildings. It's all about keeping tenants and guests happy and boosting a company's reputation. This in turn leads to higher tenant retention and repeat business. Property maintenance isn't just one thing, it's a mix of routine and reactive tasks. Routine maintenance might include building walkthroughs, regular cleaning, and HVAC filter replacements. On the other hand, reactive maintenance jumps into action when things go wrong, like drain clogs, appliance failures, and flooding. The superheroes behind property maintenance are the property manager, maintenance technician, and janitor. The property manager ensures the property is a place people want to live in or visit, keeping it clean and making sure all appliances are working well. They delegate cleaning tasks to janitors and work requests to the maintenance technician. The quicker the technician can get the job done, the better. The technician also manages outside contractors for things like elevator and HVAC unit servicing. Imagine you're a tenant in an apartment complex and you notice a leak from the ceiling. You submit a maintenance request through a community portal, and the property manager gets notified. They assign the task to a technician who finds a temporary solution and then contacts a plumbing contractor to fix the problem permanently. This process can take a few hours or even days, but the goal is always to fix the issue as soon as possible. Buildings that need property maintenance include apartment complexes, hotels, and community living buildings like retirement homes. These buildings often have a boiler, several HVAC units, and one or more elevators that need servicing. They also have large spaces like hallways, common areas, and parking lots that need to be cleaned. With the help of reliable janitors, technicians, and local contractors, property maintenance can be successfully applied to any of these building types. If you're interested in this field, consider getting certified. The American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, offers a certificate for apartment maintenance technicians, or CAMT. Before testing for this certificate, technicians learn how to quickly process work orders, repair HVAC systems, perform mechanical services, and more. For more information and resources on property maintenance, check out Property Management Insider. They publish best practices and innovative ideas to take your building to the next level of maintenance success. Also, the American Apartment Owners Association, or AAOA, provides resources that serve the interests of landlords, real estate brokers, property managers, real estate owners, and apartment building owners. And that wraps up today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we've covered the key components of property maintenance, the roles involved, and how it all works in real-life scenarios. We've also touched on the types of buildings that require maintenance and how you can get certified in this field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and to learn how UpKeep can help your maintenance team be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.